As a manager responsible for your company's digital security, you need to keep up with emerging threats targeting your company's endpoints. Employee laptops and servers are prime targets for cyber attacks. The resulting data loss or downtime can be devastating, with potentially even more serious consequences. Legacy antivirus systems that only react to known threats leave your company vulnerable to new forms of phishing, ransomware, and other malicious software. A1 Endpoint Protect is a managed service with AI-based endpoint protection software using cutting-edge technology from a global leader. We are combining easy deployment with intelligent threat defense and can even detect previously unseen attacks based on the behavior of files and their interactions with processes. A1 Endpoint Protect uses the cyber defense platform from SentinelOne, ranked by independent sources among the top global vendors for endpoint security. Here's how it works. Our security experts install the protection software to your systems and set up smart policies based on best practices and your company needs. The automated agents spring into action and start protecting your important assets. They can be updated automatically and will even perform their work offline. If any threat is identified, it can be immediately stopped, and you can also consult our team of experts to clarify the attack and help level up your policies accordingly. Shield against malware and intruders. Contact our experts now.